Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in St. Elizabeth in one place that I'm calling Watchwell. Watchwell, very close to the Newell side, also to Newcomb Valley. Success them place there, you know. So keep on watching. Yeah man, so if you learn something about our beautiful island Jamaica, you know what, go and leave in the comment section, you know. So I take a fast tour now. So keep on watching. So welcome my beautiful people. Yeah man, so in the Watchwell area. So big up on yourself, anyone I watch from yard and abroad, you can big up on yourself. So in the beautiful parish of St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, so I take a tour and see what this area look like. It's an update. So we'll see a lot of different stuff in this area. So you can indicate where you're watching from. Yeah man, you can indicate just the vibes. Yeah man, so your soup not ready yet. Can't get no soup today. Big up all the cook shop in the area. Yeah, man, we have tropical spice cook shop. For the one to the breakfast, they can come at the cook shop, yeah. Aki Tree cook shop. They do them festival, fried dumpling, fritters, bami and more, and also peanut porridge and plantain porridge. So they can check out them places when they come and Watchwell. If you like up on the Treasure Beach side, early morning setting, lunchtime, dinner time, get to the food right here. So we all know St. Elizabeth is the bread basket in Jamaica. Meaning bread basket. Yeah man, this is a farming area also. I'm heading towards the Newell High School. So anybody went to Newell High School, big up on yourself. Yeah man, big up on yourself if you went to Newell High School. If you're watching this video, you can indicate and say, yeah man, big up to all the Newell people, them teachers, and the principal. Big up Mr. Cuff, big up Miss Wellington, big up all of the teachers them in the school. So we're having some nice weather today. See how much water there on the roadside pipe bus. You know how much people would want this water right now. on your right, this is where you have the Newell High School on your right. You also have a supermarket right here. It's the EWS, and also a cook shop, that is Kim Cook Shop. Yeah man, so you see how Jamaica everywhere you turn, you have a cook shop nearby. Everybody are in their small business, you know. And also on your right where you see the black bus, that's the Newell Clinic. Back in the days, them road there, them a big pothole, but you see, them kind of fix it now, so you have a free flow of traffic on this road. If you make the right turn, it will take you out to the Short Hill area, also to Cheddar Beach, Billy's Bay, Great Bay, all them places there, you know. you make the left turn right here, we'll take you back to Big Hoods. Yeah man, big up. This have Simpson, Harrison, Agriculture Supply. So if you don't want to supply farm stuff, we can stop right here. Big up all the truck driver, then big up on yourself. On your left, we're now in the Claremont Park area. Claremont Park area, right at the Adventist Church. Say at Christmas time I come, my boss to my patch out the road there now. Yeah man, the boss to my patch out the road, you see it? And tell you see Christmas season I come, that time them start putting a little bit of work. So we're having some nice weather today in St. Elizabeth. Very sunny. Them places when we talk about road bad, pothole. Yeah man, I saw this area still. Pothole. Whole heap of pothole. See a lot of pumpkin and scallion. Yeah man, we're at the farming area side, you know. Them farm a lot of thyme and sweet peppers, cabbage, carrot. So we're heading to one place I'm calling Crossroad. Supposed to Pedro plane. Yeah man, so we're heading to that direction. Tell us the road bad. So when you're reaching this area, always look for this trench right in the road. Always. Big up yourself, head. So we're now in the Crossroad area. Yeah, man, it's like a cross. Can take you to different location. Can take you all to Flaggerman, Malvern, Treasure Beach, also to Watchwell, where I'm coming from.